I'm here at Broadway Avenue and Main Street.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait, traveling north.
North. So crossing Main Street
Wait.
first. Crossing Main Street first and then Broadway.
Main Street. One side is on the cross. Main Street. Main Street. One side is on the cross.
Alright. 11 seconds here. You want to take a look? There you go. That one does not work. That's strange. I heard of this one. This one does not work. Now, normally this button needs to be replaced or something. I don't know. But I think this one is broken. The crosswalk button over here broke. And the other one broke off too. So the one that's working right over here is the middle pole right there, one with the crosswalks. You know, that works. The one you can go left and right, I think that's working. Oh, there you go. Never mind that.
Seven, 6, 5,